Good day, all students. This is the second session of the chapter Weather and Climate, Class 7th Science. As you know, in earlier lecture, we discussed the difference between weather and climate, the definition of weather and climate, and the character of the polar bear by which the polar bear survive in the polar region. Now, the second animal of the polar region is penguins. Penguin also having the certain type of characteristic by which it can survive in the polar and a very less temperature. So the penguin has are also white color, so they can hide themselves in the snow. They have thick skin with large fat contained in their body, so they can survive in the cold weather easily. The penguin generally live in crowded or nest closely to that they can stay warm, and the penguin have webbed feet which allow them to swim. So these are the certain characteristics. In diagram we can also examine the different type of the for breathe spatial blood and muscles tissue is there, increase more oxygen, movement of oxygen. So this is the character. Now for diet they krill squid and fished, यानी कि किसके ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं, फिशेस के ऊपर डिपेंड होते हैं. फॉर प्रोटेक्शन मूव इन ग्रुप, guard around the eggs. So this character helps in what? Helps in protection. Now warm for keep the body warm. They having what? Feather around the body which protect which make the insulation layer. For movement in water they having a streamlined body, waterproof feather, having solid bones, a pair of wing. So these are this type of certain characteristics which help in a particular adaptation. For streamlined body helps in reduce the resistance. For waterproof feather to swim faster in the water. Heavy solid bone they can dive move easily. A pair of long wings proper forward in the water. So these are body features which helps in adapt these organisms in the cold environment. Okay, now next one is migratory birds. The birds are, in order to protect themselves from the cold weather, the winter in the polar region often migrate from these area to warmer place. So these organisms migrate from the colder region to warmer region. As you know, the Siberian crane comes in the Ghana. We are in Bharatpur. Okay, so they migrate from the Siberia. They have returned back after the winter season. For example, the Siberian crane migrate to India in Rajasthan, Haryana, and some northeast region during the winter season in the Siberia. These birds that migrate to different place during a change in weather are often called migratory bird. They can travel. They can travel used instance of 50,000 kilometer to protect themselves from the extremely cold environment. Such bird migratory to the some place every year. The migratory bird fly very high so that the heat generated by the flight wing can be disposed of in the cold condition. Okay, so this is the distance they cover in, and their muscles, wings muscles is very powerful. The migratory bird have a sense of डायरेक्शन. उनके अंदर सेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन भी होता है ताकि वो आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं और सेम डायरेक्शन के अंदर ट्रांसफर होते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट, द माइग्रेटरी बर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो यूज इन लैंडमार्क, है ना. लैंडमार्क यूज करते हैं ताकि वो इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कर सके प्लेसेस को. सम बर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो यूज इन द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को भी आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. सो दीज आर द सर्टेन करेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द साइबेरियन क्रेन बाय विच दे pass out the winter condition and they migrate to the warmer condition. Now next topic is tropical rainforest. Polar region highly cold, minus temperature is there, but tropical rainforest is humid and warm and dry environment is there. The tropical region on the earth are the region which are close to the equator, hence receive more amount of sunlight. So these area are close to the equator as per the diagram. Because of this, these areas have hot climate, and the temperature in tropical region can be high as 40 degrees Celsius and can drop 15 degree also. The length of the day and night are almost equal in this region. However, there is a lot of rainfall, and so the tropical rainforests are found in this region. So lot of rainfall is there in the tropical region. The tropical rainforest are home to a wide variety of vegetation, क्योंकि tropical rainforest में रेन ज़्यादा रहेगी तो डेफिनेटली वहाँ पे डाइवर्सिटी भी ज़्यादा रहेगी. ड्यू टू लार्ज हैबिटेशन द एनिमल ऑफन compete for food in this region. तो लार्ज हैबिटेशन के कारण एनिमल्स जो है वो जनरली फूड ऑब्टेन इजीली कर लेते हैं. Many animals have adapted themselves so that they can live on the trees and find their food easily. The skin color of these animals is generally similar to that of the surrounding, so that they can catch their prey easily and protect themselves from the predator. Also, many of these animals have a good eyesight and better sense of hearing. So these are certain type of the characteristic by which they can adapt in the environment. Different animal of the tropical rainforest. First one is the red-eyed frog. This is red-eyed frog. It has sticky feet so that it can climb up on the tree easily. याद रखिए, पूछा जाता है 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन, what is the adaptive features present in the red-eyed frog by which it can survive in the tropical rainforest. So it has sticky feet so that it can climb up on the trees easily. Now next, the monkey. They have long tail so that they can climb the trees easily. Even their hands and feet have a structure that help them in holding the branches of the tree easily. Okay, now next one is toucan birds. So this is toucan birds. The toucan birds adapt themselves so that they can find food easily. The toucan birds has a large and long beak with which it can reach the food that is found in weaker branches as well. Now next one is lion and tiger. They have thick skin, sharp eyesight and sensitive hearing. Next one is the lion-tailed macaque. Beard apes. Macaque is also known as beard ape. The beard ape live generally on the trees in the tropical rainforest because it can find its food easily. Okay, so this is the beard ape. The beard ape live generally on the trees in the tropical rainforest because it can find its food easily on them, such as insect, seed, fruit, leaf, flower and stem. The beard ape also has a silver white mane that starts from its head to the chin. So these are the character of the macaque. तो आपको सबका एक एक ये करेक्टर्स याद रखने हैं क्योंकि इनके बारे में क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. नाउ लास्ट अबाउट द एलिफेंट. द एलिफेंट फाउंड इन द ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट also have adapted themselves according to the climate. The huge trunk give it a nice sense of smell. इनकी जो ट्रंक होती है उसमें स्मेल की सेंस ज़्यादा होती है in picking the food easily. The elephant also eat the bark of the tree. The tusk, जो teeth होते हैं tusk of the large teeth of the elephant allow to clear the bark on the tree. The large ear large होते हैं. The large ear of the elephant allow it to the hear sensitive sounds that make it easier for the protect itself from the predator. The ear also protect the elephant from the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. So देखिए ये भी ईयर का एडवांटेज हो गया. The ear also protect the elephant from the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. So this is all about the student of the chapter 7 weather and climates. So good day to all.